Hey guys, this is Kimberly Niemeyer here. I wanted to get me and my team together today, and we are going to be telling you about our program here that we joined. It's not our program. We have a founder, a team, actually, a couple, Roy Record and Tanya Record, that is. They're married and this is their baby, and it is a give back program. And so I wanted to get me and my team together because quite often in our line of work is we hear this can't be true, this can't be real, this must be a scam. Well, that's because it's unique. That's because there's not anything out here like this. It's one of a kind. They are one of a kind. They lead the board in showing love and giving back, and they give back to us so that we can build a business, so that we can succeed, so that we can beat the day-to-day job. And so we're here today to tell you all about it and what it's done for us. Stay tuned. Hi guys, this is Kimberly Niemeyer. So I just wanted to tell you about a work at home program that we have. It's one of a kind. There's nothing like it out there. And so often in our line of work, me and my team, we hear some skeptical things because it's hard to wrap your mind around something that you have not ever seen before. So I wanted to tell you my personal story. For me, it's been a lifesaver. And I write in my PBS, which I like to call the online shopping mall. I have written in that thing and rewrote it and rewrote it and rewrote it in a journal, and I've had to even draft some pages. So I don't think I'm going to share that with anybody, but I use it like my journal. And so for me, I struggle from anxiety. I struggle with depression. I'm actually labeled 100% PTSD. If the doctor could have given me more than I would have, she would have. And so this has been a lifesaver for me to be able to work at home on a system that I can work at my pace and recover and breathe. And I wish I had had this program whenever I had my children, because I taught in school systems and I've ran businesses, and quite often I would have to be pulled out of the classroom or away from my job because my child was in the principal's office. So, this way you can stay home with your children. You can educate them the way that you want to, or at least just be there while they are, if you choose that public school is the way to go. But just wanted to let you know that this is a real program. This has multiple streams of income, and that is why many people think that it can't be true. That's why many think that it can't be real, that it must be a fake. Well, it's not. We're real people. We're here. We do it. And for me, it was a real game changer. So just wanted to let you know a little bit of my story in hopes that it helps you understand if you're in this situation and you're looking for a way out. We're here to help you. This is not a quick, rich scheme. It does take some work, but you have a team. And that's what you'll see here at the bottom of the screen. We're in a Zoom meeting in a team, and we help you. And so that's all I have to say. Give it a try. We'll help you build your dreams. Thank you. Have a great day.